Guys, who said dinosaurs got extinct from Earth? There's one in my hostel that wouldn't let me sleep last night. Right on this bed. It went out now, but last night it was busy snoring.